This is TikTok's inactive account policy. If you haven't used your account in 180 days, the username will be reset. So in my case, I have a account I haven't used for more than 180 days. And when I try to log in, it gives me your account was currently suspended. That's a little confusing because suspended is different from inactivated or deleted. So if you even try to change the password, it'll give you the same error message. And so I just wanted to make a short video about that. There's a Reddit actually about this subject where people have, haven't logged into TikTok in a while, and then they try to log back in and it says your account is currently suspended. This is confusing because it's so generic. It should just say your account has been disabled due to inactivity, and then at least provide some link or some type of information about what you can do. But I tried emailing them through their support site, and they kept asking for a username, but I don't really care about the username. I just want to be able to log into TikTok. So that's my own experience. There's probably videos about there explaining how to fix it, but it's so annoying that I ended up just using a different email account, and that was good enough. And I think that's TikTok's support answer is probably just create a new account with a new email. Over and out. So again, if you try to log in or even change your password, it'll have that message. Your account was currently suspended.